Walang sartong ko natul. Sampai rumin dua talan kena mata tambengo. Sampai tunggu ikan goms. Rere binakatunan raki. Yo mimir tsumi pa malu na uda. Tukunit tsikunan raki. Nina malum ni kwa. Na senga setsar nina bisa na uda. Yo. Osa lakoram na nga may tumbaleraw. Diyan goms ko. Kena berugo. No kivengo. Ngona bunua ni ski. Indo snow na bunua tena snow sit sungai so. Indo snow na bunua ndo taki kena ski. Tena kena chair lift na kake desa tungangur. Sin matal olak miraya. On tampe miraya uve pangkardung kutabawa mungunuai. Sin kelas ranga elu tibi. Elu total sumbangan mo taka. Ano. O kla ni opektak. Par pakabe no kumpitere sumbangan nambe kin kumpitere nambe elu total pangkardung kutabawa ya. Right. Tanawa lele endon chuwengo sara peruta ke kin mungunuai. I'm so thirsty. Woo, malak. Nice and cold, man. Bata-bata na kay. Sama-sama. Dono wai burre. Dono tu mendala no. Auto balik sumai. Ono no manchu deseo. Deseo no man, berarti ni umbite chunga no kutangan na telepon. Sikutin nama pe tumbal tunga sar tunga menunggu tumbal tatapus mi valilya. Autara talama pe. And apparently I'm here. This has to be one of the easiest Munro I've ever done. Look at this map. So, oh no, much in this area. I'm almost there. Apparently, this is the Munro up here. So I've only been walking for over an hour. Elevation is 1,200 meters already. No way. It's crazy. Because we're here already. That's the mast there, look. That's the top there. That's the summit. That's crazy. Number 34. Munro number 34. We can do this one, even though it's 1,200 something meters high. This is probably, not probably, this is definitely the easiest one I've done so far. Too easy. Even though, like I said, it's more than 1,200 meters high. But definitely one of the easiest one I've ever done. So I highly recommend this one if you want to come and experience what Munros are like. This is a good place to start. Kian Goms. Too easy to climb up here. Kerobi pas nga miraya pa tundon na kena turang sa hulu serangan ulun. So I think he's in his 60s. So just trying to make a point that this Munro is probably one of the easiest one to do. So there's a ski center down there. Revengona bonuani ski. Wakame ravengona polikano na cafe lele tulomea. Kunin tanda bitungor gi saravo sumutuna kuno bakian gomes. Na idan batini welele on kurban to lamani suno. Kurman de la marrem ta gaba. Aga bitu rutini suno. Asal kena tiga. What's under here? Wani. Oh, look at that. This. Can slow down. Get away. Wah. Huh? That's right. That's so cool. Wow, that's so cool. Look at that. Kita nak walk lele round the Munro. After those sebelum mani slow to me. Via watch tu na lima. Sa sirsum tali tsungo. Mele bangara mandan dro no mo kelekina. Badal lindo talamantani kena mata tata bumbong ni kwa. Badin rakina ka tu. Berata mataka. Mele sotabi ratu ndana vitamani mai naselai. Naturang ni nasela yung kaya baka wachisari na kosa. Ndo siguro non rudor bulay lay tumbuna. Ata kami kituli sotar tu kerker tu mai kituli batili tumbale. Kituli tumbale gilan shine le ndo biketu ndo na manro chumikia. Kio sa mai kele tu mandike. Ndabu tu ngabi dong kan mutu kango. Sesarang ringkin dua talata matutuki. This is gonna be my view for tonight and tomorrow morning before I go meet Rocco and the family. Okay. So tumantike serap mantana tentungo, tumantike na matatata bulay-lay. Boy binak anjir na niyong ko, boy binak. Harus kuat, bito man ko. Awa. So talaman tanang buka. Huwag ka na ganing bila. Buka. Boy. This thing hits different, man. Dua tayo nga nandaka na nakakanatabo. Totok anjir. So nandan betul mandigin. Huwag sunggaw na bitata ka ng gubarlada. Ultima na megutu no bitata kan gubarlada dan guys sota ni mataka ni sa ketuli sota bekerto na vitamania until then guna bali buna do amur tu na nunggu video asan dan bitok mantige na tabni abu nang bukang gom bata usir na katemu linda buni sewang kecukup. I'll see you tomorrow. Good night. Yan naka sa pinarungrungo chubale na lamalang perungo meu katalaw singango to chugo kurti chugo barundo mandra kena coffee bara kena chai na batana nata ngo cluster yogurt oats and double chalk. Okay. Anu kayak ngunduh tian ngoni salah kopi ko. Salah kamu telir tau na temannya. See you there. Maninggo dari terkasar tunggu saat itu kita lang untuk mata saat sini nama mata cruise ko ni salango saat sini sa sekitar sa nito bali uli bono kito sa nabarau cruise ko ni sal right nga turang kana ko ni dang ikua turang mata to bali kito boroda ka ba sa alis ni kenano kito rebo abo kitiko kito bangkar na kami kito da ka ba. Sakin ini kok gitu sana pemidan beta tan luli bundo dan beta nanoa.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not ready.
You're not ready. So Sai is about to conquer her fear of height today.
Yeah.
So right now she's stressing out. She's stressing out. She's eating. She's eating cookies.
Eating and cities.
Nene. There we go. We fall together.
As in it. Oh, Si's going there.
Oh,
Si's
Nene.
going down. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh,
Ako sa apex. Ule! Okay, so we're about to go back up there. It's very windy, but we'll give it our best shot today. Say, enough with the cookies. Where do we go? Up there. The time right now is about 1:45, just a little bit over. Yeah, 1:43. So let's see how long it's gonna take us to go up there and come back, okay? Sa tekibungo na matatong balimbula. Ngo na durbo ni Semesa Rokoduguni, ladies and gentlemen.
Alright, sorry, no autographs, please.
There you go. Sai, onangon ni nabosa. And Nene. Oh, look at that smile. She's smiling. Eh, what you gonna be the message to tumbal? Rena ka saya to. Eh? Ah, dami to ko raw na bosa. What's wrong? What's up? This is all the cookies you've been eating. "15 minutes in. How you feeling, darling? Huh? Look here. How's the cookies holding up?
Still have 2 more left.
How you feeling, big man? Huh? I see.
15 minutes?
Yeah.
Yes. So it's been an hour.
You thought it's been an hour. So that was about 200 meters climb. This is the result. And there we go. Naselay. Tapos sasanta ko tunggu lo ni Mansa.
Hey, bye!
Yes, man. I mean, it's a tricky little hill. Mana gue di dalam timbang perawan. Kenapa balik? Cold. Is it cold or is it? Asai. How you feeling so far? You still got that cookie left? How many? I thought you said 2 last time.
Yeah, that's 9 because I ate.
Inquele.
Inquele! Yeah. Just jump on.
Hah?
You're gonna make a pile.
Rusot ah.
That's our mark.
Sa kami Masa barang kutu bang batu ngabang ko merira. Sampai kita minta tapi tu minta balik lain tu It's been a good going so far. Huh? You okay?
Peace out.
Yeah. Saya ngarap di mana di sini gitu Tini utung bala mekina. Salu tu menggor pa malu na kango. Mimiri bata may baka malu na kinuuda. Sa wala nga usara tiyo na tombal. No, none of that. Yeah.
We're not turning back. We're not giving up.
Okay. Semino kam nila nawas. Yeah. Tosa nga eh.
Lewat. Laki. Dili mila. This is halfway. Look here. Anything you want to say to your dad? Huh? You want to tell your dad you love him?
Dad, help!
Hey, my last words. I went through the valley, went through the desert, went through this.
Okay, go on.
I'm gone. Bye.
Kita sama ya tadi tu kan bini snow go. Kenapa arur tau tu kena udah? I got that on camera. Yeah, use this. Say, use this.
This is my home.
Alet,
I speak number 3.
Muna na mungkin na may telepon. Yeah.
Take me
Okay.
home.
Teka mo may flash, pwede mo luray.
It's you. The reflection from the snow.
Okay, okay. Dapat kami ko rin ito. Kumando na... Kumando mo na... Basta sa tagitunig ko na wilang malas. Kumando na ibu nilang manikunan ko. Ano po nilang mo ko? Ano na ka? O siya, rito ko lang may masa ko tingin nilang mo. Ano mo? Una, no mungkin yung telepon on. Yeah, I know. Why? I turned it on. Let me know. That's what I said. Okay, let's go.
Sa Alang main na tumbal eh. Sa lala na kete. Nakasabrutar na menggo. Nakabrutar ko. Doon nakirikan na ko.
Instead of drinking tea,
Sa nangaw na, nanrani kay bikaw cukup ikan tentu pas gasar nga may tumba. Okay, back on track, let's go. Da lutu mena kambu. Na dhambe reda nga. Sa dhamba sutun tapa ponto na sulu kata-kata. But hey, sila pa nga yato, kito ita kaya simaili.
Yo. Very challenging, very demanding, physically, mentally. But like every other mountain that we face in life, looking back through the journey, it's worth it because of the view, because of the scenery, and also what it does to your mind, and also to
Apik, santan pitung ko na ko nilinas sila ko. How are you feeling?
cold, wet, hungry.
Sa bolak sar talaga ni kita sa ni Biray na kukuha ni kambu kinatang. But hey, these guys are determined to get to the top, so nothing is going to stop us today. So kita na tumbal tumibango eh. Kita tumbal rin. Kita na kata gom. Bos. Ayo dah. Wait dah. What apa? Nice.
Jangan nunggu itu mikir.
Pilih amang. Vale. Lo manio semata gosar sa luri mi pamalong gor. Linda mendekin me kena mata baru. Linda pengan baru ram mi binatang. Wale nga. Just to warm ourselves up. Shelter away from the wind and then before we carry on. How was that? Are you cold? Hungry? Not hungry?
Okay, come.
Maybe because of all those cookies you've been eating. Kita sa main dami bitong ko baru teman-teman datang. Yeah. What's up? Huh?
There's a good
You
one.
cold?
Nah, I'm boiling.
Are you? Really? Oh, how about your fingers?
My fingers.
Are they cold? Really? I'm freezing. Well,
I was definitely not complaining.
well, yeah, you wasn't. What was the highest hill or mountain you've ever been up?
You know the hill in
Sai, this is your first ever
Lucas?
There's no hill in Lucas.
Yeah, the big with the cookies.
The park.
Yeah, the big park.
Oh,
Matthew and them live. Yeah, that little long hill. That's the longest one I've been. Which one? The one near the park where our house is. It's a big hill.
it's a big hill. That wasn't a hill, that's a mount.
Where the park is?
How about you? What was the highest mountain or hill you've ever been up?
This one.
Not this one. Before this.
This one.
Huh?
Definitely.
Before? How about before?
So second highest mountain in 5. That's the last one I've been on.
Oh, the one in Lomond? East and West?
Yeah.
The Falkland one.
Yeah, East and West. Oh, East and West Lomond.
And West Lomond.
Yeah. Almost there. We can feel the chill and the wind chill and all the chill.
Say your bit.
Are you upset?
I'm dying.
Makata na tuna rano ina puno ko rin. Bangun salve na tu. If you're still thinking of climbing a mountain, highly recommend Ken Gomes. Look at the path. Very well maintained. A bit of wind chill and wetness coming from the sky, but we're almost there. Almost there.
Sa yata man tanong una. Sa tukulo tupong ko na pagkasama sa napananan. Sa yata ng ikin, sa yata ko panto na din. Yo. Sa potalitin ko. Wabi pinakatakan ni tosot ko na kinayalo. Dito urta na lalanggo na toso na atsipta ka na tostos ni ko. Toso.
Gori, dito ko sa tungori. Malam doon rapat. Reda. The tallest stone. Tallest pile stone. Look at that. Huh?
Yeah.
Makan dua. There she is. Ken Gomes. More than 1,200 meters above sea level. Huh?
Hey, you bloody shit!
Huh? Yeah. Here we are. Batu.
Can you feel my fingers right now? Feel cold. That's my rock. Okay, go. Tell you. Get the small one, hey. Get the small one, yeah? Just put it in.
Kailangan ng unang giba. Kailangan ng patuloy-tuloy ko ito ba rin? batu. Made it. Do you know that you are currently 1,200 meters above sea level? Huh? You said you were scared of heights, but now you're at the top, and your little stone is the highest, tallest one at the top. Hey! Did it! Kena visto tutulan rakia, dotanan rakito ang bimbi kita, dotanan rakito sotawa. Kok itu sansir sumtal ciko, kita sambo kelas na mata ni unomo. Iya, nakangay na nakakina na siro sambo ko, sakit tuh ya kita sa rira. Siro sambo. Siro to ni nembor pakan tuh. Right, we'll see you. Okay, we will see you at the bottom. Okay, we've done it. Done it. Okay.
Sa nangunela ko bikin nila ko. Okay, ilang lang. Sa libo la kanya na. Okay na, beto tunde lagi. Okay, that small voice saying, "Saro to iki." Sa next time. Yongo. Isa tanay na nantela di uli ko na. Pwede na tamate, diri mo na lista. Sabi ka lang ng isong ko na kakak.
Ready! What's up? What's up? What's your problem? Tell your problem to the camera.
Oh, I can't see!
Sakit to ulit sumena to mali. Sakit to karma. Dari nakasatan ko. Why ko?
Sabi,
Kuy!
ano naman tama?
Hey! Uy! Nabuwara! Menurut ko terus ada matulog sa laro sa mga tangi. Here is Sai. Sai, come on, tell me. How you feeling right now?
Fantastic.
Really? Huh?
Liar.
Are you serious? Oh,
Because
okay.
we're going downhill, that's why.
Oh,
That's why you see me going in front.
oh, okay.
Now
I mean, like-
hiding from
Hiding from the wind.
Messi.
Kinda, yeah. I mean, you've just done. I don't think Momo has done that hike before. Maybe ask him to see how was the tallest mountain he's ever been up, and then tell him that you've just done 1,245 meters above sea level.
I beat you.
That's a good feeling,
Yeah.
yeah.
I mean the weather. I think the weather helped a bit. Helped to conquer your fear of heights. See? Bolak sarna dira. Pernah kita main sarna mai dake. Ini Sai. Sai is now smiling again. Sai wasn't smiling on the way up.
That's not shoulder. That's not shoulder.
Kapak down there, almost there. Almost back down. Nakalok ko sa 1924. So that makes it about more than 4 hours.
Yeah. Because of the slow coach.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be less than that. Thank you for finding the slow coaches. No, like me, Bubu. I took my time.
Yeah, so we made it back down. It's done now. Look. Sa sola ka tali na uli wono tumea. Well, one down. How many more to go? We don't know. Time will tell.